Hello, viewers. This is Petri.
Hello.
Petri is from Helsinki and he
Far
has
away,
far
far
away
away.
to Tampere. I mean, we just met. Not like this is the first time I'm meeting him anyway. And I linked with him on LinkedIn, and he's a nice person. And we have had a lot of important discussion here. I mean, we talk on so many things, and what I've learned so much from him is like, you know, I mean, before I mention what I've learned from him, let me like mention what he asked me. What is my dream for the next 5 years?
Yeah.
Something like that. And at one point, we're like, okay, what is he talking about? But it makes me remind of something that at times we might be living our life, or we might think we want to do some things, but we don't have a clear picture
Yeah.
of actually what we want to attain in like 2, 3, 5 years. We just want to
Yeah,
like
exactly.
but
Not so many people know.
yeah, yeah. But he has. I mean, you're engaged in some like 5 startups. He's kind of like a brain, business brain monga. I should say that in my like traditional, not traditional, like Cameroon English, like
Yeah.
pidgin English, monga, like Google, like someone who is involved in so many things, like in business, and he knows what he's doing, something
Yeah.
like that. And he has experience in that. I mean, he's also interested in technology, and is it waste management, water, something like that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm hoping that one day I might get into Africa someday.
Yeah,
Who knows?
that would be great. Yeah.
Yeah, so that you
I'm
can
waiting for it to go to Cameroon.
yeah.
Yeah.
Come you're going for that matter. But I mean, we can go for anywhere you want to go to. And it was really nice to have him here, and just want to do this short video to like maybe he can say something. Something to encourage my viewers. People who are interested in business. Like, what should they think? What should they do if each time they wake up from bed? Like, what should they think?
It's actually, yeah, it's difficult to say one word, but mainly it's go for your dreams.
Yeah, go for your dreams.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Learn dreaming. It's
okay.
it's not easy.
So
So
if-
make a dream board. I
okay,
told you, make a dream board. Yeah. So
Like-
really take a big piece of paper, cut some pictures and put them there. So new Toyota Corolla, it's not a dream.
Yeah.
But new Ferrari, it's a dream.
So if you want to buy a new Toyota, it's not dream because anyway you're gonna get it anyway, as you
Yeah.
mentioned. But if you want to get a Ferrari, I mean that's a dream because it's expensive. So
Yeah.
you need so much money to buy something
Definitely.
like that.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm so happy that I get to meet someone who is positive today and learn so much. That's what I love. I love meeting people who like encourage me, who say things that uplift my dream.
Yeah, it's a
And
pleasure.
now I have a nickname, the King of Africa.
Yes.
The King
Stanley
of,
first.
Stanley first. The king. Okay, so have a nice day and thanks for watching.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. Bye bye.